Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to welcome you to Taal Vista Hotel for our annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony.
Is akin to a beacon of light that sits atop the hills of Tagaytay, watching over the community that it has served with gracious hospitality.
In a few weeks, we will all celebrate Christmas and New Year with our loved ones. I would like to wish everyone a peaceful and memorable time with your families. I hope you will find delight in the festive program my team and I have prepared for you tonight.
In the same manner, this also reminds us to be a shining light to others. God is with us, has always been, and will always be with us.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. Gather all your family round, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world.
Let us light the Christmas tree in 3,
So baby,
2,
light
and
a
1.
fire, and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming our way.
Let us spread more hope, peace, joy, and love this season.
It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire, and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming